How to recover forgotten password in blockchain wallet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a forgotten password in your blockchain wallet. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password. I'll walk you through the steps to reset it so you can get back to managing your crypto. First, open the blockchain wallet app on your phone or go to the blockchain wallet website at www.blockchain.com. Now, once you're on the main home page, tap on the three horizontal lines and click on login button. Once you've gotten on the login screen, simply find an option that says forgot password. Click or tap on that link. Now you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your blockchain wallet account. Just type in your email address and click continue, and it will send the recovery link. Go to your email inbox and look for an email from blockchain. This email will contain a recovery link that will allow you to reset your password. Just click on the link and you'll be able to reset your password. And that's it. That's how you can simply recover your forgotten password and reset it for your blockchain wallet.